Well, today was a pretty hot day for all of us for the most part. Then we had some showers and storms that came through, kind of knocked down the humidity and the temperatures briefly, but once they got out, the humidity and the temperatures increased once again. Daytime highs today were lower 90s, but heat index values were right around 100 degrees for everybody across the viewing area, maybe except for Thomaston and Butler. They saw heat index values right around 90 degrees, so that pretty much was the place to be for today. But take a look at this. We had one isolated shower that's holding on right around Dudley near Highway 333. That's going to begin to rain itself out. So within the next 20 to 30 minutes, we should see all clear skies as opposed to rain showers for tonight. But notice we have clearing in the skies off to the eastern, western communities, and eventually throughout the overnight hours, we will see the skies begin to clear, and that's going to actually help to let temperatures be a little cooler tomorrow morning. So as we take a look at the current temperatures right now, we notice cooler temperatures all off to the west, just slightly cooler, 77 in Thomaston. But we still have a lot of 80s on the map right now, Sandersville, Milledgeville, Forsyth, and definitely down south around Americas. And heat index values are still in the mid-80s for a lot of locations right now. So we're at 10:15 in the afternoon, and the air temperature is still pretty smothering out there. 85 in Forsyth, 83 in Macon, 83 in Warner Robins, and lower 80s south of I-16. But as you take a look at the current dew point temperatures, that's still pretty high. But as we said, the skies are going to clear. So as we progress throughout the overnight hours, expect your dew points to drop. And with the dew points, your temperatures will follow behind that, and we will see temperatures drop around the upper 60s first thing tomorrow morning. 68 in Macon, 67 Forsyth. Maybe 70 south in Cordele and Milledgeville, but otherwise it's going to be a pretty cool morning tomorrow as opposed to recent mornings. And then tomorrow afternoon, slightly cooler than today, but all in all, I think we'll still see 90 degrees on the map everywhere. And heat index value, once again, right around 100 degrees, so definitely prepare to sweat for tomorrow afternoon. Now, your first look ahead for the rest of the night, maybe isolated shower, but I don't think we see anything tonight. Skies will continue to clear. So clear skies, quiet conditions tonight, but as we move into tomorrow, we will see the chance of some isolated showers once again. Tomorrow, I think the rain will be focused more on the eastern communities tomorrow rather than the western communities. Typically the same time of the day, but this time I think a different location. So from Macon on to the east, expect some showers and storms in your forecast. And as we move into Tuesday, maybe a better chance of rain on Tuesday, but I don't think we'll see it at the extent of what we just saw. But then as we get into Wednesday, that's when I think we'll see some big rain make its way in. Wednesday and Thursday seems to be the wettest days in our forecast, but as we get into the second half of the 7-day period, we will see things begin to dry out slightly. Temperatures will try to cool off, but not by much. We're looking at 90s across the entire 7-day period. Overnight low is going to be right there around 70, so we're going to see the cloud cover come back into play throughout the overnight hours. That's going to keep temperatures rather warm throughout the overnight hours as well. Fish and game forecast calls for 2 peaks in the good range, 140 tomorrow morning, and then tomorrow 8 o'clock in the afternoon. So